Hi, I'm Auntie Dawn. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chocolate toast. Toast with stuff on it is such an easy, light meal. And it turns out that semi-sweet chocolate chips melt really well on a piece of toast. It's important to use a toaster oven for this because if you used a slot-style toaster, I don't want to even think about the burnt mess. Okay, the first step is to get your bread out. I like this sprouted grain stuff, but any kind of bread will do. But if it's a very sweet bread, you might want to use a darker chocolate than the semi-sweet chips I'm using here because it might turn out really sweet. So first I'm going to put my bread in the oven and select the setting that's going to make your toast quite toasty. We want the bread to be crisp and the oven to be hot. Now while that's toasting, grab your chocolate chips. I find it's better to pour them out on the plate so I'm not trying to fish them out of the bag while I'm cooking. It's going to be about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of chips per slice of bread. Now the toast is beeped done, and I'm going to pull the rack out using a hot pad. And now that I've got the slices of toast as far toward me as they can be, and I'm going to put some chocolate chips on each one. Now I'm going to push them back in. All right, now that the chips have melted, I can take them out and you can see just how glistening and melty they are. Now the finishing step is to finish it with a little bit of butter, either any kind of butter or a nut butter like peanut butter. Now I'm going to take a nice teaspoon of butter and then use that to spread the chocolate all over the toast. As you can see, the chocolate and the butter are still a little bit separated, but it is still very tasty. Same with the peanut butter. Take a good 1.5 teaspoons of peanut butter, and you can see how that mixes really nicely. I really like this chocolate toast as a snack or a light meal with a glass of milk. I hope you enjoy this chocolate toast as much as I do. See you next time.